Everybody, welcome. My name is Lauren. I'm homeschooling mom of 3. Today I am sharing our curriculum choices for first grade for next year. So first we have math. We are going to be using the Good and the Beautiful Math 1. We have used Simply Good and Beautiful Math K last year or this year for math, and she will continue to use the Good and the Beautiful Math 1. One of the things I love about this is that you don't need a separate teacher manual. You just use this course book and everything is included with it, from the teaching to the practice to the independent work and the games and everything in between is in one book, and it has been really good. We've been using the Good and the Beautiful Math for, I feel like this is going to be our fourth year using the Good and the Beautiful Math. It also comes with a little manipulative math box. So it has a clock on the front, and then you open it up. I haven't opened it up yet. And it includes little manipulative pieces to use throughout the year. So I haven't even seen this one yet, but I haven't even looked at it. Right now it's the first time. So it has little cute little adorable clocks. It has some little sailboats of sorts. It has some money. It has different pieces, so like triangles, different shapes, parallelograms, things like that. And then it has some dice, 6-sided dice, and then left, right, left, right. So that will be all of the manipulatives that they will use for the year with this course. Not too little, not too much, just the right amount, I think. Then for a math supplement, I do arithmetic 1 for my girls. We always pair and have been for the past 3-4 years, the Good and the Beautiful as our core math curriculum, and then Abeka for our math supplement. So this is quite big. This is, it's like 340 pages. I don't expect her to get through this all in 1 year. But I will supplement this, so she will do about a page a day from here. And these work together nicely, the Good and the Beautiful and Abeka. You can kind of get an idea. So, and it's just to kind of reinforce facts that she has learned, reinforce those math skills, make sure they're really in her head, not just when she does the lesson today or when she has a review next week, but to really make sure that these math facts and concepts are really instilled in her. So so that way when she goes to upper, higher the math, there's not as much, or hopefully there's no struggle, but at least not as much of a struggle. And again, I only supplement, these take my kids like 5 minutes a day, literally, if that, to do a page. So again, I'm not bombarding them and loading them down with all of this work. It's just a little bit of extra math practice. Okay, next we are doing for handwriting. I will be doing the Good and the Beautiful handwriting for first grade. So this will be level 1. So it is all it's not cursive at all. It is all manuscript. And so it is 100 pages. So she won't do this every single day. She'll just do this maybe 3 times a week. That way it can last throughout the whole school year. We did Abeka handwriting this last year, and she wasn't really a fan of it. She always complained when it was time to do handwriting. So I don't know if it's handwriting or Abeka or whatever, but I showed her this one and she was like, yes, I want to do this one. So this is the one we are doing. And then for language arts, we will be doing, okay, so I'm going to say this now, but I am going to do a full, what is this? Not disclosure, or I don't know the word I'm looking for. I will preface this by saying that I'm like 90% sure that this is what we will do for language arts for next year. I was 100% sure about it, but then something changed, and I'll tell you about that in just a second. So we will be doing Abeka for their language arts. So I will do the lesson plans with her. Whereas the Abeka math, I don't do lesson plans. This isn't a separate math. It's just the page. But for this, since this is her main language arts, I will be definitely doing the lesson plans. That will be our formal curriculum for language arts. So she will do a lesson, and then she'll do a sheet from here a day, and then a sheet out of here. This one focuses more on like phonics sounds And then this one focuses more on grammar, creative writing, and reading comprehension. Reading comprehension is very basic, again, in this first grade level. It's not like they're reading paragraphs and paragraphs. They keep it very age appropriate. And then for spelling, she will do Abeka Spelling and Poetry 1. I can't believe it. This is my baby. Like, she's my youngest. And I just can't believe she's going into first grade, that she's got like a big girl spelling book, and I feel like I just can't do this. So here she will do Abeka Spelling and Poetry 1. So there's about 30 lists in here. She will do 1 list per week. Abeka, if you're wondering, you can get tests. I did this exact program with my middle daughter when she was in first grade, and she did the test, but I just decided to opt out, not do the test. My youngest daughter would actually probably be absolutely fine doing tests, but I'm just not gonna do that. So I will probably just test her on the spelling. So the formal test for Abeka is a test of like phonics and reading and spelling all in one. So it does all in one, but I think I'm just gonna do the spelling and do these on Friday and see how it goes with that, and then just continue and just forego the test and just continue on with the next lesson, is what I'm thinking of how I'm going to do it for next year. So what I was saying a second ago, why am I 90% sure? Well, I was 100% sure, and then the Stinking Good and the Beautiful had to come out with new language arts, and it looks really, 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 really amazing. And I don't have a sample to look through, so I can't say for sure. Their updated version won't be out until, I don't know, I want to say June or something like that. So I won't even be able to tell until then, because they don't offer samples. Like, they just gave a very little teeny sneak peek. And so, yeah, I don't know. I don't really love, I'm going to be honest, I don't really love the Good and the Beautiful language arts for like kindergarten, first, second, third level, like levels kindergarten through 3. I don't really love it. It's good, it's fine. I prefer Abeka, but this new one that's coming out just looks really good. So I don't know. I am reserving the right. That's the word I'm looking for. I reserve the right to change. So again, I probably will go with this, but if you see in a few months me saying, guess what, guys? Don't be surprised. I warned you that it might happen. It probably won't, but it might. So we'll see. Or I might just, no, I can't supplement. That's too much. It's too much. It's too much to supplement. I'm just thinking out loud right now. So in case you're wondering, like, are you doing anything besides language arts? Are you doing history or science or Bible? We will, but I do those together as a group. And so I'm gonna share that in a separate video of what we're gonna be doing. So normally we do science and history and Bible together, like I just said. This year we're gonna change things up just a smidge, just a pinch. So make sure you stay tuned to see what we will be doing for our group subjects and how I'll be tweaking that this year to kind of fit all of my kids' needs. I may go crazy, but it's gonna fit all their needs. So anyway, stay tuned for that. Make sure you stick around and subscribe if you have not already. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're on Instagram, follow me over there at The Practical Homeschooler, just like here. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have such a great day. And until next time, I'll see you later.